How can I open a command prompt in current folder with a keyboard shortcut? How can I open a command prompt in current folder with a keyboard shortcut in Windows 7? Is there any way to implement this? I think autohotkey could do this, but don't know how.
Use this keyboard shortcut, Shift plus menu, W, Enter. Shift plus menu, alternatively, Shift plus F10, opens extended right-click menu in current folder. W, selects open command window here. Enter, activate selection, required since new is also selectable with W. The menu key refers to the special key introduced by Microsoft, usually to the right of the right Win key. This shortcut is available on a default installation of Windows 7, without any third-party software. The awk way. You just need to press Win plus C, or whatever you want to define it as. As a bonus, the script above also creates a new text file with this shortcut, 1 plus T. Credit to Eli Bindersky.
Press Alt plus D, type CMD and press Enter. For more details see blog post here.
The native way to do something similar in Windows 7 is to hold down Shift while pressing the right mouse onto the folder you want to command prompt to, and a new menu item will appear in your context menu offering you exactly that. Open command prompt here. If you want pure keyboard action, then you have to do this. Open regedit. Go to he_classes_root_directory/shell/cmd and rename the extended key to extended_save. Go to he_classes_root/drive/shell/cmd and rename the extended key to extended_save. This adds the open command window here entry to the context menu permanently. You can trigger this entry by pressing Alt. Let go, context menu opens. Press the underscored character of the open command window here entry or go down with your cursor keys and hit enter. The name of the menu entry is labeled according to the language of your OS. An alternative route is to do this. Open the folder you want in the command prompt via the Explorer. F4 CTRL CTRLC Win CMD/KCD /Enter, which grabs the current path from the address bar of Explorer and executes CMD/KCD path. With auto hotkeys you can do the same, but I do not know auto hotkeys.
From How to Open CMD in Current Folder by Shortcut Windows 10. If you are using Windows 8 temps, there is a faster and original way. Alt plus F, P. Just 3 key and type twice, without help of another program.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.